All right, well, here we are, March 1st, 2019. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Been working on this for on and off for a number of years. What they call this stage is running on air. When you get the chassis put together, cylinders, the valve gear done, that's what they call this. So this is this one little moment you can take when you're working on your engine, and you can stop, take a breather, and just say, wow, you know, we got this far. And that's what we have. So there's the chassis, and let's go ahead and crank it up, see what we got. Still working on getting exhaust together. Actually, that's part of it right there. Yeah, you can see got some oil going in. I'm gonna make a lubricator. I was gonna go in the other direction with it, but decided to do a lubricator. And I'm using maybe call that Hackworth. Interesting, you know. It's like what they put on these little engines, you know, British style. But there were some American ones that had it. I'm running out of air. I got this running on a little pancake. And honestly, yeah, you can see it go. Watch that. Not bad though, how about it? Still running though. How much pressure is that? Negligible. Timing must be pretty decent. Well, there you go. Just a quick update. Hopefully we can get moving a little faster now with stuff. I got boiler parts. Started working on those. There's the flue sheets, both front and rear. There's the back of the boiler, the back head as they call it. I got brake parts laying under there. So I got the brakes done. So yeah, I think that's there you go. That's the deal as of right now. I wanted to do it by March. So I got it March 1st. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. Okay. Watch for the next video.